Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to Dukunoo, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Miami, where mouth-watering Jamaican flavors meet a lively atmosphere, creating an unforgettable dining experience. Now, if you're a true Jamaican, you all know what a Dukunoo is from back home. If you're not a Jamaican, then that's something for your homework. Here at Dukunoo, though, whether you're craving Jamaican jerk chicken or curry chicken or curry goat or their fusion dishes, every bite will tell a story of passion and authenticity of the Jamaican dishes. I must admit, though, that I really like the outdoor seating area where the guests sit in the Miami sunshine, and then the DJ booth is showcased with smooth tunes setting the perfect backdrop for a vibrant dining experience. My choice was the curry chicken. It was a culinary masterpiece, guys. It was tender, flavorful, and cooked to absolute perfection. Honestly, I would totally recommend that curry chicken. I did have it with white rice. The experience and the ambience at Dukunoo was nothing short of a culinary heaven in the heart of Miami.